Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit Boho filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.55. Contrast to plus 21. Highlights to plus 38. Whites to minus 38. Blacks to plus 40. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Temperature to plus 19. Tint to plus 18. Vibrance to plus 20. Saturation to minus 26. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to plus 20. Saturation to plus 16. Luminance to plus 10. Go to orange. Hue to minus 10. Luminance to plus 4. Go to yellow. Hue to minus 64. Saturation to minus 47. Luminance to minus 15. Go to green. Hue to plus 7. Saturation to minus 20. Luminance to minus 80. Go to cyan. Hue to minus 50. Luminance to minus 55. Go to blue. Hue to plus 11. Luminance to minus 13. Done. Next go to effects. Clarity to plus 14. Vignette to minus 15. Go to detail. Sharpening to 9. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.